Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on decimals to a fraction. Converting a decimal to a fraction is a very straightforward procedure. Let us see how this is done by way of some examples. Convert 0.3 to a fraction. Now we're going to use a very special procedure here that we probably haven't seen in previous years, but the reason I'm doing it is that this procedure is going to be used on the next slide to show us how to do something very, very exciting with respect to conversions. So let's use this procedure for those two examples, then I'll explain what's happening on the next slide. So convert 0.3 to a fraction. So let m equal 0.3, therefore 10m equals 0.3 times 10, 10m equals 3, therefore m equals 3 over 10. So 0.3 is 3 over 10. That's very straightforward. For the second example, convert 0.45 to a fraction. Let m equal 0.45. If we multiply both sides by 100, we get 100m equals 0.45 times 100. Therefore 100m equals 45. Therefore m equals 45 over 100. So if we divide numerator and denominator by 5, we get m equals 9 over 20. So 0.45 is 9 over 20. So let's use those procedures on the previous slide to do these very exciting examples. We can use the procedure on the previous slide to convert a recurring decimal to a fraction. First example, convert 0.7 recurring to a fraction. If we remember on the previous lesson, 0.7 recurring is 0.7777 where the 7 continues on. Therefore let m be this recurring decimal. Therefore 10m is 7.7 recurring. Therefore 10m minus m, which is here, will be that minus that, which is here. That simplifies to 9m. That simplifies to 7. Therefore 9m equals 7. Divide both sides by 9, which gives us m equals 7 over 9. So 0.7 recurring is actually 7 over 9. Example 2. Convert 0.85, where the 8 and the 5 keep repeating, to a fraction. So let m equals that decimal. Therefore 100m equals that number there. Now we do the subtraction. 100m minus m is here. And 85.85, where the 8 and the 5 recurring, minus that gives us there. There it is there. Simplify that to give us 99m. Simplify that to give us 85. Therefore m equals 85 over 99. Therefore that recurring decimal is actually 85 over 99. This third example is extremely special because if you notice this recurring decimal here, that keeps recurring because of those dots. The 1 does not keep recurring, but the 0 and the 6 do. See that? The 0 and the 6 keep recurring. So let m equals that recurring decimal. Therefore 10m is that recurring decimal. So you multiply both sides by 10. Therefore 1000m, multiply that by 1000 and that by 1000. So 1000m gives us that number there. So we do a subtraction. We subtract those two. So 1000m minus 10m, that subtraction there, equals this subtraction here, which is there. This simplifies to 990m. This simplifies to 105. Therefore, if we divide both sides by 990, we get m equals 105 over 990. Divide numerator and denominator by 5, which gives us m equals 21 over 198. Divide numerator and denominator by 3, which gives us m equals 7 over 66. So believe it or not, this recurring decimal here, that one there, is actually equal to 7 over 66. So this video has used a very interesting procedure to show us how to convert decimals to fractions, and in particular how to convert recurring decimals to fractions. Very, very exciting indeed.